Good morning, students. In this unit online class, uh, I am going to explain about auxiliary verb and regular verb. One question for the next semester exam is pick out the auxiliary verbs from the following sentences. Pick out the auxiliary verb from the following. Pick out the auxiliary from the following sentences. Auxiliary verbs are the following: do, does, did, can, could, has, have, had, will, would, shall, should, are, is, are, was, were, must, may, and might. These are the auxiliary verbs. So when you look at the sentence, if you find any of these and take an auxiliary verb and write down. For example, they did not play well. So you have to, here in this sentence, did not play is a verb, did is the auxiliary. He will not see you. In this sentence, will not see is the verb, will is the auxiliary. Are playing. Are is the auxiliary, playing is the main verb. Are playing is the verb. So, you have to write this answer in this way. Now we have to go to the forms of tenses. So, pick out the verb and tenses. You have to find out the verb and what tense of the verb. So I am going to give you the forms of the tenses. Present tense and past tense do not have special forms, but other tenses have special verb forms. For example, present continuous tense, the verb form is are, more, is, or are plus ing form of the verb. When you add ing to the base form of the verb, you get ing form of the verb. I am playing, he is running, we are playing. Here am playing, he is running, are playing are verbs and they are in present continuous tense. Next, present perfect. Has or have plus past participle of the verb. If the verb is singular and plural, we have to use have. If the verb is singular, if the subject is singular, we use has. Plural and I, we use have. I have written a book. He has written. Have written is the verb plural, and have written is the verb singular in present perfect tense. Present perfect continuous tense, has or have plus been plus ing form of the verb. The verb form of present perfect continuous tense is has or have plus been plus ing form of the verb. He has been playing for 2 hours. They have been working for 10 hours. Has been playing singular, have been playing plural, because he is a subject singular, they is subject plural. Then past continuous, was or were plus ing form of the verb. He was playing. Was playing is the verb, tense is past continuous. Past perfect. Had plus past participle form of the verb. Had gone to USA. Had gone is a verb that is in present perfect tense. Past perfect continuous. Had plus been plus ing form of the verb. Had been working. Had been working is the past perfect continuous tense. Simple future tense, will or shall plus base form of the verb. He will meet him. Will meet is the verb and it is in simple future tense. Future continuous, will or shall plus be plus ing form of the verb. So, he will be leaving. Will be leaving is the verb that is in future continuous tense. future perfect. Will or shall plus have plus past participle. He will have completed the work. Will have completed is the verb and that is in future perfect tense. Future perfect continuous. Therefore, will or shall plus have plus been plus ing form of the verb. Will have been playing. He will have been playing. Here will have been playing is the verb. Tense is future perfect continuous tense. So next question is find out the verbs and change the tenses as directed. Saying goes, in the sentence, example, I played well. You are asked to do it present into change into present continuous. Here given sentence is played, that is past tense. You are asked to change into present continuous. So that is I am playing well. Played become am playing. I went to meet my friend yesterday. Change into future tense. Here went is the verb, that is past tense. And answer is I will go to meet my friend tomorrow. So why to yesterday into tomorrow? Why is changed yesterday into tomorrow? Because yesterday past, that goes with past tense. Tomorrow is future, that goes with future tense. We have to change yesterday into tomorrow because yesterday goes with past tense, tomorrow goes with future tense. So this is a way to find out the verb and say what tense are they. You have to study the tense forms. Then you can find out what tense it is. Then study study to pick out the verb. And first question auxiliary, you have to study by heart the auxiliaries. And if any of those auxiliaries, the given sentence, pick it and write down. So this is a way to learn this question. Have a nice day. Thank you.